So here's an absolutely magic looking Symphilia. There's a really gorgeous piece of coral. There's a lovely red lobophilia. Some really nice zoos across the front. Big clavularia. A big, really nice looking cataphilia. Really nice scenario. Some Duncanopsomnius, and a really gold looking torch coral, Grabrescens. A happy little snail on the front here. This tank's run with ultimate aquacare LED lights, and it's got these new fans that blow air across the surface of the aquarium. A really efficient way of evaporatively cooling the tank. So this is a little ultimate aquacare reef aquarium that we're putting together at the moment. It's coming together beautifully.